PART's regional Vanpool program is designed to help people in the Triad share the ride and reduce how much they spend getting to and from work. Here's how it works. It takes a group of 5 or more people who work and live near one another to start a Vanpool. One of the members of the group will lease the van. They'll be the liaison between PART and the Vanpool group. Next, identify at least one driver and one backup driver from that group, although everyone can qualify to drive. The group decides on the meeting location, the route, the hours, and rules. There is a monthly fare that is determined by the size of the van and daily round-trip mileage. The fare is split among the members of the group. The more people in the van, the lower the cost. Each Vanpooler submits their monthly fare payment directly to PART online. You can even make your payment from your smartphone. The fare covers everything you need to operate your van: gas, insurance, maintenance, and in some cases, an emergency ride home. To get started, visit our website where you will be matched with an existing Vanpool or other commuters looking to start a Vanpool. That's all there is to it. Check out a PART Vanpool today and sit back, relax, and enjoy your new ride to work.